So, engine is making a horrible noise, so we're going to be replacing the PCV valve today. And I thought I just saw a little bit more smoke. Yeah, from this angle you can see the smoke coming out again. Still trying to figure out the smoke machine. But PCV valve is going bye-bye.